Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Nitya. So in today's video, I'm going to share you a very natural neutral makeup tutorial. And this is it's a sort of a no makeup look. And this look suits for college, office and works. So if you want to know how I get this look, please continue watching. And before getting to the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click a bell icon next to subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my videos. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna moisture my face. So I'm gonna use L'Oreal Hydra Genius All Over Water Moisturizer. This is a water-based moisturizer and my skin is a very oily type. So next I'm going to prime my face. I'm using a Maybelline Studio Primer. This is a pore minimizer primer. So if you have more pores, this is the best primer, I will say. And I'm gonna apply all over my face. So next I'm going to moisture my lip using a Labello lip balm. So next I'm going to do color corrector. Color corrector is absolutely your wish. If you have dark spots and dark circle or discoloration, you can do, otherwise you can skip this part. So I have a discoloration on my face, so that's the reason I'm doing color corrector, and I'm using a very minimal product. So taking this Forever 52 beauty sponge, this is my new sponge and I love it. It's very nice. So what I'm doing here, I'm just dabbing to just take out the excess product, because this is a very light makeup, very natural makeup, so I don't want to be cakey. So next what I'm doing, I'm taking my MAC concealer palette, from that taking exact shade of my skin tone and just dabbing wherever I have color corrected. So when you're doing a very natural makeup, using a very little bit product is always very good, so that you will not feel cakey. Using the same sponge, and I'm blending and taking out the excess product. So I'm gonna skip my foundation routine, so I'm gonna use a concealer instead of that, because I don't use foundation on daily basis, so I use always concealer. Very tad bit of product I'm using and blending from my sponge. So NC45 is very light for me. So before that, what I did, I color corrected. On top of that, I used a concealer which is the same skin tone of mine. Then I used this NC45 concealer which is lighter than my skin tone, so that it will not become grey. So next, moving to the powder part, I'm gonna use Forever 52 banana powder. This is a very nice powder to set your face. So I'm gonna set whole face from the same powder. It's very oily skin, because of that only I'm gonna set my face using this banana loose powder. So this will not give you a coverage, but this will make your skin look matte and dry. So if you have a oily skin, using a loose powder will give you a beautiful matte look. I know I used more powder, don't worry, it will not give you a coverage, so it will make your skin look matte and dry. So next, moving to the eyeshadow here, I'm taking a transition shade and just setting my eyelid so that your eyelid will not crease. I'm using a Inglot gel eyeliner and just filling my waterline, and also I'm using as my eyeliner today, and tight lining my upper line. Curling my lashes here. So I'm gonna use Essence mascara. This is a beautiful mascara, and Essence have a beautiful mascaras which is amazing. Please do try, guys. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to use other mascara from Essence only. This is a flexible one and waterproof, and this is amazing, guys. I used to struggle a lot when I applying on lower lashes because it used to spread a lot, but this is a very nice. I'm just loving it. please do try this if you are struggling like me when you're applying on your lower lashes. And this is easy to apply, and the applicator is very nice. And when you're taking the product, you will not get excess products. That's the reason you will feel very easy to apply. So next I'm taking any shimmer shade and just wanted to highlight bridge of my nose and brow bone areas. So finally a lip part. So for lip I'm using Essence lip liner. This is a very dark brown color, and gonna line my lip. Lipstick I'm using a NYX lipstick here. This is very nice nude color, so I really love this, and I almost use the same color whenever I go out. So if you're under my skin tone, this lipstick will suit you very well. Do try, guys. So I'm going to set my face using this my all-time favorite setting spray from Essence. It is an instant matte setting spray which makes your skin look matte all day, guys. And here is the final look, guys. So I hope you all enjoying watching this video, and this is a very quick, easy and very simple natural neutral makeup tutorial. And so if you're looking for a very simple makeup, this is the best one, I will say. So please do try this and comment your opinion. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I will see you all on my next video. Until then, Nitya, take care. Bye bye.